Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated sport bikes of the year, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5. Known for redefining entry-level performance biking, the R15 gets a fresh upgrade for 2025. Let's take a closer look at what Yamaha has packed into this new version. Design and styling. The R15 V5 carries forward its aggressive DNA, but with sharper lines and a slightly revised aerodynamic fairing. Inspired by Yamaha's bigger supersport models, the V5 features a sleeker LED headlamp, a more contoured fuel tank, and redesigned fairing vents. New color schemes and graphics add to its street presence, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Engine and performance. At its heart, the 2025 R15 V5 retains the 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with variable valve actuation, VVA. However, minor refinements in ECU tuning and intake design provide smoother throttle response and marginally better mid-range torque. It continues to deliver around 18.4 PS and 14.2 Nm, paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch for precise control. Features and technology. Yamaha has further modernized the R15 V5's electronics. A new TFT instrument cluster replaces the older LCD unit, now offering smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride analytics. The bike also supports riding modes, sport and street, alongside traction control, dual-channel ABS, and quickshifter, cementing its position as a tech-packed leader in the segment. Ride and handling. Built on the proven Delta box frame, the V5 continues to offer excellent cornering capabilities. The front USD forks and rear monoshock have been slightly retuned for better stability and road feedback. Combined with wider tires and improved braking feel, the R15 V5 ensures confidence at both city speeds and on the track. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. With refined performance, new-age features, and track-focused dynamics, it sets a new benchmark in the 150 cubic centimeter sport bike category.